Hello, good day. I'm going to talk about how to select the stronger sector from the STI time index and some of the tip of trading, the component stock. So today focus is on the banking sector. Let's go. So I'll go through the Straits time index component and then I'll look into the stronger sector now, which take up the highest weightage, and that is in the banking sector. And then we look into the counter on their performance. We will touch on earning announcement, some of the analysts' recommendation, and also their 12-month target price. And at the end, I will talk about my position and what I'm going to do next. So if we look into the STI index component, you can see that there is around 30 counter and the market capital is about 500 billion Sing dollars. And the first three weightage that is highest is DBS, followed by OCBC and UOB. They are under financial sector and they are under bank. Okay, so today our focus will be on these three stocks. So on the banking sector, you can see that there's announcement by DBS and also for UOB. And for DBS itself, it has beat the expectation, and UOB is missed the expectation. And the next coming up is the OCBC that will be announcing on 10th of November, 2 days from now. So looking at the three banks, if we look into the 6-month performance and also the 1-year performance, definitely OCBC is one of the stronger one. I'll put in my video on 12th of July saying why I chose DBS and OCBC and not UOB. Next, let's look into UOB. And in UOB, if we put in a green line extended, you can see that there is a few weakness area. And the first weakness area is here. You have touched the base here. And the next one, you can see also a high volume here of the UOB bank share. And the last one that you can see that is on this area itself, it continued to weaken. I did queue for OCBC and DBS and got OCBC. I'm prepared to let go of OCBC with 3 to 5% profit. And of course, the reason why I did not look into UOB is to show higher box of volume loss where there's 3 red arrow. And of course, the reason I want to let go of OCBC and DBS is because I do see that some volatility will happen in August and September month. Look into the dividend. You can see that for the three banks itself, they are paying quite a fair good amount of dividend. The highest dividend paid is by DBS, followed by OCBC and UOB. So in order to see in terms of the analyst target and what they put, you can go into SG's investor. So over here you can see DBS, like Philip, they have put in a buy with a target of 41.6. And then on OCBC, there's a target of buy by Philip also at 14.96. And UOB Kahin at 18.22. And of course with UOB, there's a target of buy by Philip of 35.9. So do look into the report. So these are not recommendation to buy or sell of the stock. Finally, on the STI pricing itself, you can see it passed when STI break both the moving average of the green line and the red line. You have further drop. So same here, when they break the green line and then subsequently break the red line, is followed with a more drops in the STI index. So today you can see that for in August, STI have break the green line, and then they have break the red line. It was rebounds back, and they break these two line again with a downtrend, and it fall below the support of this level. Then we have a sudden pullback due to Fed not increasing the interest rate for November, and also due to Treasury yield that start to drop from 5%. I'll put in the analysis for the three bank stock now. So let's look into the chart of DBS. So you can see that for DBS, I've been moving into the wedge area. If you move this chart bigger, and it's a bit in between the green and the red line. And let's look into the OCBC. OCBC is above the green line and the red line. We are pending for the result of OCBC to come in. So potentially, if the result is good and the overall macro market is good, I may sell off my short-term position in OCBC, some of it, in the range of this region. And if you look into UOB itself, UOB is moving below both the green line and the red line. So after the 12 July analysis, UOB have been consistently the weakest among the three banks. I think now we have to see how does the price action will work out by analyzing the move of UOB for the next 1 to 2 months. So back to my trader position, I have 3 positions. I have OCBC, DBS and Hang Seng Tech in my portfolio now. And in fact, I have opened a OCBC position on 7 July and closed part of it on 13 July. I also have a Hang Seng Tech position on 24 July and close it on 1st of August. With that, do subscribe and like so you can get my latest update. Thank you.